This is my home for the next 7 days. Let me give you a tour. So we booked this caravan through Bharat Caravan. As soon as you enter, you have one storage unit. Have to do this because otherwise in the movement सब कुछ खुल जाता है. And we have a little microwave. It only works when the car is stopped. And a mini fridge. This is the living area. It also converts to a sofa cum bed. There's this cute little window situation. And this is essentially the storage. This storage area can fit like 2 cabin luggages and 1 small bag. There's also some storage here. And this side can fit a bunch of backpacks and pouches. Now this is the rest of it. This is the pantry area. There's an induction here, hot water kettle here, and a sink that fully works. Now there's a lot of storage here. Again, everything has to be locked. They've given us a lot of vessels. There's also this space here and one more huge shelf, which should be more than enough for everything you want in terms of cooking. Now this is the first little cabin. This has this like window view and there's an AC on top. There's also this window and it's like a nice comfortable 2 bed. There's plug points here. There's also a fan there and a reading light that does not work. Let me show you guys the bathroom. It's literally this tiny. There's a hand shower and the flushing system is pretty great. This is the shower area. This is literally it. This is the shower. And you get to shower here, brush and everything here. There's a mirror here. It's really tiny, but I think it works. This is the next bed. It's like around se 2 people can sleep here. They've given this thick chaddar because it gets really cold and there's no heater here. There's also 2 windows on either sides to enjoy the view. And there's 2 fans that work. There's also AC vents, but these work only when the car is moving. There's also a starlight roof, but it's quite dirty, so you can't really see anything. Pretty cozy scene if you're not claustrophobic. But the trick is to climb up. So you put one leg here and your hand here and you spring up. Bro, let me tell you, climbing up that is extremely difficult to do, especially when the car is moving. Navya almost sprained her shoulder and I have almost fallen so many times while doing that. Then there's a cycle at the back of the caravan if you want to cycle around anywhere. There's a stove, a sink, a stand, and they have this setup that they can do. These foldable chairs and tables. So we just set our breakfast spot up. This was my favorite part of traveling in a caravan. We could just dock it anywhere, cook in such beautiful landscapes, and eat with unreal views. Amazing experience. And they say that 5 people can fit, but I don't think so. I think max 4 adults. In retrospect, I think 4 adults plus 1 kid might still work, but anything more than that will just not work. But we had a lot of luggage and I would suggest that if you're coming, get very minimal luggage because there's literally no space. The rest of our luggage is on top. It's covered, so even if it rains, there's no issue. Okay, that's not true because on day 4 of the trip, बहुत सारी बारिश हुई and my luggage was kapde ka, so all my clothes got wet. So it'll be best if you have like a rain cover for your luggage and also like you carry the hard plastic ones. Overall, I would say that it's definitely a once in a lifetime experience and it is by far the best way to travel via road if you have long distances to cover because the traveler vans and the cars just don't cut it. There's cramped seating, you have to sit all the time, and in this you can relax, you can sleep. That being said, especially when the caravan is going on like improper roads or like rough terrain, there is a lot of dhakkas that you will feel and your back is going to go for a toss. And full disclosure, we did take rooms a couple of nights because it was way too cold in certain places and we just wanted to get proper rest. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'd be happy to answer them. These are my socials. Give me a follow on Instagram and I hope you all enjoy. Subscribe for more.